Today I'm sharing everything I made and am wearing on my beach vacation. Hello and welcome back to So Pomona. I'm Rebecca and I'm so glad you're here. Today I am filming in sunny Cocoa Beach, Florida, and I'm going to show off some of my travel wardrobe in this video. Last week, if you watched my video, I showed you everything I was planning on bringing this trip, and today I'm hoping to do some behind the scenes footage showing you what I'm wearing on my vacation. This is a family vacation. We're spending 5 days up in Cocoa Beach. We've been doing yoga on the beach every morning, going for some nice walks. We're seeing a few movies and just basically hanging out together at our beach house. So in the background, you can see the beach house our family is staying at. And then I'm going to just show you some behind the scene footage today of what I am wearing on our beach vacation. Today I'm wearing a Paisley Leigh Italian cotton woven dress that I made out of McCall's, this is McCall's Marina. And I'm going to put all the fabric and patterns below in the description if you want to look at them. So I'm wearing my little caftan dress and I love it. I'm going to show you some pictures and some video, and then I'm just going to show some images of how I wore everything on this trip. So let me walk you through where we were staying. This is the backyard space at the house we stayed at in Cocoa Beach. It's right on the water. You can look out at the ocean, go swimming whenever you want. What a perfect family reunion trip. My parents invited us all down, so it was my sister and her family, my brother Adrian, my sister Missy, and then my family, my husband, and my 2 teenagers. My very favorite part of this vacation was starting every day on the beach doing yoga with my husband and occasionally with the rest of the family. I brought a few pairs of yoga wear. I was wearing my Jalie Clara Leggings and my Audrey top, as well as wearing my self-drafted yoga set in lilac knit that is not shown, and the set you're going to see here are my Jalie Clara Capri Leggings that are in swim fabric with Bikini View Top A, Vogue 7877. That is basically a swim top with a racer back that I made up to wear with these leggings. So our first official day at the beach house, after arriving very late at night on Thursday, was a trip up to Nassau. We've always wanted to go, and so we planned to spend the day there. My mother joined us, and she was so excited to come along because she came down when she was 15 years old with her whole family, and she has 6 siblings, and they all came down in a car from Michigan and went to Nassau. And she was really happy. There were a few things there that she remembered. We had such a great time. In this video, I am wearing my striped pants. They are in that core fabric striped hem-stitched recycled cotton in black and beige. These are the How to Do Fashion Vanlose pants, and I added a waistband to them. And then I'm wearing it with my self-drafted tank top in black. You will see these pants again because I wore them twice. So in this little video that I took outside of our balcony bedroom, I am wearing a new pair of pants. These are the by hand London holly pants in a Lady McElroy linen. I really like these pants, although you're gonna see when I show my makes video, I am planning on changing these up. I'm going to raise the hem, and I think I'm gonna remove the pockets. On this pair, they were just sticking out too much, but they were very comfortable to wear. I'm wearing it with a self-drafted wide crop tee in this dusty blue color. Now this is my very favorite outfit. I love these Periwinkle pants. The fabric is a Windowpane textured viscose Deadstock in this Periwinkle color that I bought from Core Fabrics, and the pattern is Vogue 1437 by Tamotsu. I'm wearing these pants with my square neck self-drafted tank top in this cream nylon Ponte that is very structured and beautiful. Now here's another day of me wearing my striped hem-stitched pants. These were so comfortable, and the fabric is really lighter than it looks, and it's just really perfect for a beach day. And I'm wearing it here with the same cropped tee I was wearing in the dusty blue. This version is in white, and I have a bunch of these tees. They're my favorite to wear because they're so easy breezy to wear. Especially with a trouser with a higher waistband, I really like this silhouette. Now here's my very favorite beach dress. This just screams Lily Pulitzer to me. I love this bold paisley print in this periwinkle lavender colorway. This purple paisley dress is McCall's 8090. This is the Marina dress. I made this up in a Marcy Tilton Leigh Italian cotton woven, and it has accents of periwinkle and orchid in a rayon poplin that I bought from Stylemaker Fabric. I threw this dress on over every swimsuit I was wearing while we were at the beach, and it was so comfy, and I love this style. It's not my usual style to wear ruffles, but I really love this dress. I brought 2 pairs of pajamas with me, but I only filmed 1 set. So this is my newest set. This is in a double gauze mint. It's an organic cotton double gauze from Stone Mountain and Daughter. And so I made 3 separate pieces in this. My pant is Vogue 7645, and my top is Butterick 6647. Now the top is a little too big for me. I'm going to have to size down even smaller for the next version, but probably just in the back. You can see it's riding really low, and it should be up a little higher. And then my jacket is Vogue 1246. It's a Lynn Mazzone pattern. Now I did modify this a lot. I changed up the hem lengths, I changed the sleeve slightly, but I really love how it turned out. It's really very elegant and very comfortable. And here's my loungewear set. I am wearing a Style Art coral cardigan in this bamboo fleece in this rose colorway with my Vogue 1914 lounge pants. This set was so cozy with that fleecy interior, and the last day we were there it was about 65 degrees, and so it was very windy and chilly, so I really needed this. And I love how comfortable this was. And I'm wearing it with a cropped pink tee, the same as the other 2 cropped tees I was wearing. And this also worked as my travel outfit for our car rides. right, guys, it is our last day here in beautiful Cocoa Beach. We are getting ready to head home, and it is our last morning in this beautiful beach house. My husband and I just finished doing yoga out on the sand for sunrise. It's really chilly this morning. It's 65 degrees, so we're wearing sweatshirts. I am wearing my Jalie Clara leggings with a sports top, but it's too chilly out here to be wearing just that. So I've got my little Yoga with Adrienne sweater on. All right, so that is it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse into my vacation and the outfits I wore on this trip. Let me know if there's a favorite outfit I wore in the video, and let me know what you are sewing right now. Are you sewing for spring or summer? Let me know below in the comments. Come back next week for a new video, and until then, happy sewing.